think after I review the film, I have a better idea of what was going on. Well, what do you think was happening? This is a Stevens Aero modeler. I guess Stevens Aeromodeler. I guess I think. But at any rate, they have a kit. It's a Balsa kit. Cost a fortune compared to buying a foamy, and then you got about a week's worth of building on it. You could probably do it faster if you're an experienced builder. And this is a second flight. I flew it down at the boys' ranch, but by the time it got off the ground, I had to power back because I didn't have enough airspeed to make a turn. So we're out here this morning. I'm going to just do a little taxi run here and see what is here. That's nice. Ooh, you see the tail come up there?
Yeah.
All right. We'll be flying. This is, you got to be pretty brave to do this on concrete. Here we go.
Oh, you're naked and have a heart attack, Doc. Nice landing.
That is.
I got to tell you, I was a little concerned there a couple times, Doug.
I have to say.
Well, you were too?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if it's not tail heavy, but I think what it is, I think the trim is off. Dare I try it again?
Woo! I think I'd be, were it mine, I'd just be glad I got it down in one piece.
I think I'm going to save it for the grass field.
That's what I would do. Oh, you're naked and have a heart attack, Doc. Nice landing.